How to import templates in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pull out or extract different templates from your own device or through other. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now, tap on Files, and here you'll be able to see the option called Preferences. Tap on Preferences and select Profiles. So now we in this profile section. Here on the top, you can see this drop down button. Simply tap on this drop down button and here tap on template. Here you can select the language that you want to import. So here I'm tapping on one, and here on the bottom tap on add folder. So you can directly add your folder from your mobile device, or there are different options like GitHub or local or even host. So it's according to you, and later you can import the code and start doing it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.